making sure the counter works. Okay, here we go. Let me check it out. So, check this out. Hello world. Hello everybody. Amazing. Okay, this is amazing, and I'm very serious. This is serious. See how I look. Yeah. And that's what it's about. This video is another beard video, and this is important. You know what I found out? Because of my beard style, right? And I'll show you. It's kind of gross, but let's get with it, because man, I'm telling you, this is it. Okay, if you look, right, I keep it all the way my whole throat, all the way down, and up my esophagus right here and here, grow up and up and up in here. Okay, you see it, right? Oh, that's bad. Okay, right? Well, because this pulls up, right, and this pulls down at the same time, it pinches down like that. When I sleep, it holds my mouth open, and I don't snore anymore. It helps me to stop snoring. Because when it goes like I'm laying like this, right? This will pull down, and this will pull down to the center. See? And I don't snore. Can you believe that? That's the best, man. And when I found that, I was in the chair going, and it pulled on. Oh wow, that's cool. And now I do this. I don't like wearing it to bed because, ginches and grinches. But when I take a nap on it, it stops me from snoring. I don't know how much better that can be. I mean to tell you. All right. Live by your wits, not by your worries. All right. Peace. Oh, and remember, race fast or die in pain. Peace. Bye. La la la. Beep.